Day 17. It just rained, but we gonna find a way to take advantage of that. We gonna hunt the worms today. So, flipping piles, hunting worms. All right. Ooh, it's active on the block today. But anyway, we going through each pile. That means even the two small ones, cause the worms like cool places with food. So these two, maybe these two, but I'll try. I know this off subject or whatever, right? But anybody that's invested in crypto or whatever, it's a bit of a push being made. So it's on the rise for a second. Just wanted to throw that in there right quick. Still, just for the giggles, I checked the temps of this one, just the outside, this one and the other one. So far I've seen 74, 77. Other finished pile. I'm gonna say the other one was 2 and this is 1. So the one that's on top is 1 and the one at the bottom is 2. 74 and 77. Actually, let me start up here. This is work pile 1. 77 with 72 at working pile 2. I seen 78. 73. 74. Working pile 3. 78. 74. Working pile 4. No, I seen 79, but I seen 80 earlier, but 75. Spare green pile. 86, I seen. 75. And just for the view, here's the dry pile so far. Flipping that or spreading it a little more so it can dry out, but all of that, it goes straight down to the ground. Alright, in finished pile 2, I don't see a worm yet. I don't want to disturb this one too much because it's on fresh grass, but we do have a free plant. I'm going to take that out of there. Yeah. Okay. This is finished pile number 1. I went through this one. I seen this one in 2 as well, but I probably have a bunch of worm larvae. Not necessarily the worms themselves. They probably went underground type deal. So, yeah. Okay. It's working pile number 1. Okay. Temps reading real cool. 68, 69, and 72, 73 being a high. I'm looking for worms, but I'm finding more roly-polies than anything else. Like, no worms at all. Real quick, grab the temperature. 85, 86. this thing down there straight. 78. Work pile number 3. Yeah, number 2 was kind of warm still too. 74. I'm not searching for worms in this one or 4. Phone had died while trying to get temps for inside the 4th pile, but oh well, we're gonna move over to the 5th. Alright, inside spare green pile, we have all done, folks. Catch y'all later.